We both attended a trip to Chiapas, Mexico, and we went up into the highlands to meet indigenous farmers.
The families were mostly coffee growers. At that time, the coffee market was probably at its worst. They weren't really even making enough to cover what they needed to do to grow the coffee.
Over and over and over, the farmers said, we've heard about this fair trade coffee thing.
And the farmers decided that they were going to band together and form a cooperative. And so that was where we came in.
We'll go home to the United States and find coffee roasting companies who would be interested in buying fair trade coffee. And we thought, okay, this will be easy.
It didn't work like that. Every single roaster and importer said, we have absolutely no interest in doing this. And we had to go back and tell them that. And everybody's shuffling their feet and looking very uncomfortable. And Antonio puts his arm around me. He said, it's okay, it's okay. I said, okay, thank God. And he said, yeah, it's okay because you're going to buy our coffee. You're going to buy our coffee and you're going to roast our coffee.
And I just sort of paused and took a deep breath and said, yes, okay.
Here we are, 12 years later.
Crazy. Yeah, it's super exciting. We're going to grow our overall sales by 50% this year.
It empowers the coffee drinkers who are buying our coffee and the farmers who are growing the coffee. We really affect each other's lives in a very real way.
It's fantastic to be able to say, you know, we're trying to be the change we believe in here.